2018 Passat. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.